Hello guys, how are you? Today I will tell you how to link any text on your sheet, on your Excel sheet, to any Google image or Google website or any website, any image on the internet. Let's start. Here are the name of the student, department and suggested sites. Okay, I will click Henry. Either you can link hyperlink from here or from the insert button and hyperlink. So I click hyperlink, then existing file or web page, and it is asking me to give me the address. I will click on this button showing internet with a lens. So I will type .netflix.com. okay, and I will click on this Netflix, and here's the page. So I want to copy this, and then I will paste here. Okay, and if I click Henry, it will take me to the Netflix site directly. Okay, I will give you another example. I will click the second name and hyperlink it with, for example, web page of I will click this, and I will go deeper. I will type physics new research. Okay, and I will just copy this, and I will close this, and I will paste. It is automatically pasted, so I will click just OK. And if let me check, and here you go. Now I will tell you how to link your text on the sheet with any Google image on the internet. So here's Anderson. I will hyperlink it, existing file or web page, and then to the internet, and I will write and I will search for the players, and I want this image. I want to link text to this image. I have to just copy this, and it is automatically done. I have to just click OK, and here you go. Now just by clicking, you can get the Google image on your fingertips. Thank you so much.